Okay, in this video we're going to go through the ZoneTrades platform once you become a member, just to kind of give you an idea of what's in here. When you first log in after signing up, it'll bring you to the dashboard here. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do is watch this welcome video. It'll go through how our alerts work. It'll show you how to set your system up for receiving the alerts. Okay, I'm just going to kind of go through this all real quick so you can just kind of get an idea of what's in here. Okay, alerts that you haven't viewed yet. If you click on View All Active Alerts, it'll show the alerts that you haven't seen yet, and it's got this this little bell here. And then you can go on and view the details of the alert, and then you can actually even go in and view the chart if you'd like to view the chart. Okay, I'll go back to the dashboard. Okay, now if we go into View All Active Alerts, you can see that this bell has changed to show that we've already viewed this alert. So if I make a change to an alert, it will also change back to this symbol down here, so that you can see that in the notes I've made some change. I may have changed a target or edited it in some way. Then it comes back to this symbol here. Okay, you can view all the archived alerts by just coming in here, view archived alerts, and it'll show you the closed trades and how we did on those. Okay, the first thing you're going to want to do after watching the welcome video is you're going to come in and set up your alert service options. You're going to come in here and set your preferences. Okay, we actually have three different types of alerts, but only two actually get emailed to you or sent to you, sent to your phone. If you want to receive SMS alerts, you check the box for receive SMS alerts, and this is only if your phone provider has an SMS gateway. And if you don't know what it is, to find out what it is, just click here, okay, and scroll down a little bit, and it shows all of the major phone carriers. So let's say you have AT&T, so it'll be your 10-digit phone number at txt.att.net. Okay, so that's what you would type in right here, your phone number at txt.att.net. And then if you want them sent to your email, which I would highly recommend you have them go to your email too, put your email address in here and check Receive Alerts. Down here we select which type of alerts you'd like to receive. Okay, the trade alerts, you check that, and I think you're all going to want to get those. I mean, that's one of the main reasons you're in here besides training. Those are the trades that we're actually taking. Okay, so with that type of alert, it comes in as a trade recommendation. It gives you the exact expiration date and strike price of either the call or the put. Okay, but we also have our supply and demand zones set up on charts, and inside of those charts we have alerts that trigger before price gets to a supply or demand zone. So if you want to receive those alerts, then you need to check that right here. Okay, now you're going to get a lot of those. Those come, at this point I don't even have all of them plotted, and we can get up to 10 of those a day. So by the time we get the 570 charts plotted, you could be seeing 20 to 50 of those a day, and then when we get to 1200 charts, there could be even more. So those might get a little annoying to you, depending on what type of trader you are. If you're going to use this service for day trading, you definitely want to have that box checked, unless you're only going to day trade off of our earnings alerts. Okay, so that's how you're going to set up your alerts, and obviously hit the submit button when you have, and you can change these at any time. So let's say for training purposes you want to receive these chart alerts for a few days, just so you can see if you're analyzing these charts the same way I am, because I go through all those alerts every day, and I record videos as to why we're taking the trade, or are we just putting this on our watch list. So that's a big part of the training. So you may want to turn those on for a while, even if you're not gonna act off them. You're only going to act off of the trade alerts. Okay, and then sign up for a free TradingView account. I don't know if you heard that, but I just got an alert on BMY. Okay, sign up for a TradingView account. You don't have to sign up for TradingView. We use TradingView.com where we store our charts. It's a really nice platform. We obviously have a paid subscription to it because we use it to share charts with you. But if you sign up for a free account, number one, you can access some of their other features that they have, and it's a pretty nice little platform. I'd highly recommend it, but you don't need to do that. And I believe you get less advertising stuff popping up too if you sign up for that account. Okay, view alert service training. Okay, you would click on that. This is just a little overview of the different types of alerts and how they work. We'll also have some videos on those. Okay, and then join our Slack channel. Slack is a chat room similar to some of you that have been with a member of Zone Traders in the past. We used to use HipChat. Well, Slack is similar to HipChat. Again, it's free. It doesn't cost you anything to sign up for that, but you need to, if you want to be a part of the messaging every day, you're going to want to sign up for that and download the software and install it on your computer. And it just comes up like this. Right now we have 5 channels in there. One for day traders, one's for earnings alerts. If you're going to be doing any types of earning trades, a general channel, and this is where most of the chats and stuff is going to go on. Off topic, if you want to talk about stuff other than trading. And then questions. Questions is where you'll ask questions instead of sending emails to us. We prefer that you do it through this channel because then everybody can learn from the answers to those questions. And all we want on this channel is just questions and then the answers to the question. If you're an experienced trader and you know the answer to the question, you're more than welcome to go ahead and answer it for the person. Okay, but highly recommended that you join the Slack channel. Now, when this installs, it automatically comes up every time you reboot your computer and just kind of sits down here in the tray. There's some different articles or recent updates. New articles that have been put up will also show up on this page. Okay, then we go to community and training updates. Again, is the same thing, different articles. You go to the articles tab, and we're just now starting to get these in here, but by Monday there's going to be plenty of articles in here. Videos, view all charts. You can come in here. This has all the different charts that you can go and view. As right now we've got 580 charts in here. And then this is a description of the different colors I use and what they mean. Okay, so you can view the chart. You can see where we have supply and demand zones plotted. And actually, I just got an alert on BMY, so you can also search by just typing in the stock symbol and view chart. Okay, you can see what we got here. We got price just moving into a supply zone. What I'll be doing is I'll be watching this. The market's actually closed now. The market just closed. So I will be analyzing this to see if this is a trade that we're gonna want to take. Again, here's another link to join Slack. It's the same thing as on the dashboard. And then we have links to a couple of common websites that I use a lot, and figure you'll probably use a lot too. The Chicago Board of Options Exchange Options Calculator. This is mostly used for 2 things. One is when you want to try to calculate a target on an option. If you you can, like we can just put we'll put Apple in here. Okay, and let's say we have the Apple January 20s. strike price of 115, and we think it might hit 120 by Friday. Okay, so we take this and take it up to 120, and we're going to do days to expiration. We're going to say 35 instead of 37, and calculate. Okay, it's going to be worth the fair value is $5.86. So we might put a target in of say $5.75 is our target on that option. And then, you know, if it doesn't execute by Friday, you can calculate it for next Wednesday. You know, instead it'll be 30 days or whatever it is. So it's a good way for you to know what the value of your option will be on a certain day that you can put in for a target. The other is if you have a wide bid-ask spread. You can come in here and you can see what the fair value of that option is. You've got to give the market makers a little bit. Let's say let's say the price was at 115 right now. So we calculated that option, the fair value of is $2.54. So we might start at, if we're trying to buy it, we might start at $2.50 or $2.45. I'm sorry, you have to go on the upside, $2.60 and work up from there. So it's for when you have a wide spread between the bid and the ask. It gives you an idea of what that option should be worth. Okay, the earningswhisper.com, that's where I use to go and see where stocks are that are announcing earnings. You can either type in a stock symbol and it'll tell you. Okay, it's expected January 10th before the open. If there's not a checkbox by it, then that's not confirmed. What I've noticed is that usually when they're not confirmed, usually they'll open up either that week or the following week. Let me see if I can find one that's confirmed here. Let's see, BBRY is announcing next week. See a little checkbox there that shows it's confirmed December 20th at 7 a.m. Okay, the alert service, again, it's everything you can do from the dashboard. Just another link to it here. There's your alert settings, where we set it up, the active alerts, the archived alerts. Okay, and then the earnings alerts. Okay, the earnings alerts, they don't actually get sent to your phone. What they are, we didn't have any left for this week, so we set up next week. Okay, so it's every stock that's on our list that's announcing earnings next week. Okay, so on Monday it's going to be LEN. Tuesday, come in here and what we do is I make sure that all of these charts are updated with the latest supply and demand zones. Okay, this thick magenta line is used to identify an area of high volume, which many times that will act as a supply, as a support and resistance point. So in this case, support. So these would be areas to look for on BlackBerry when earnings are announced. These are the days that are announcing earnings. So you need to go into earningswhispers.com to find out whether they're announcing before or after. If this becomes a problem, we can figure out a way to do this. But if they're announcing before the market opens, then obviously Tuesday morning is when you're going to be looking for price action on this. These are awesome day trading opportunities. Because when you're day trading, you're looking for a stock that's going to make a big move, and when the stocks make their biggest move right after a news announcement, especially earnings announcements. So we've got some videos on how to day trade these charts, or how to day trade these stocks on earnings days. And if you're a day trader, this is a really powerful tool for you. Okay, under my account and support, to view your account details. This is just a demo account here, but it'll have your information here. And right here, if you want to cancel your service, and you're welcome to cancel anytime you want. All you have to do is come in here, click cancel, and it'll cancel your service. You won't get charged for the next month. If you use PayPal when you signed up, you can also cancel it right inside of PayPal. Just go to your subscriptions and cancel it. That'll work too. You can sign up without a PayPal account. You just have to use a credit card, and then this is how you would have to cancel right here. You could also cancel by sending us an email at admin@zonetrades.com, but this is the best way to do it. Just come in here and click cancel. I hope this helps, and I hope you see the benefit to this, and hope to see you on the inside.